Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to our shop. We have a treat for you guys today with this Toyota and Lexus SUV compilation. We'll be showing you some Lexus GXs, Land Cruisers, 4Runners, and Sequoias, all in one jam-packed video today. Let's kick it off with this bad boy on Portals. A good customer of ours just picked up this Lexus GX550 and decided that a conventional lift kit was not what he's looking for. So here we are, 74 Weld Portals are going on this beauty. And as you can see, some 37 12.5 Toyo Open Country AT3 tires are going on here with some MR703 wheels. All four front and rear portals are billet aluminum and are of impeccable quality. These portals come with a 4-gear design that provides a 22% reduction at the hub, which allows you to run a larger tire without having to re-gear. This kit comes with all 4 brand new brake rotors and caliper relocation brackets to allow for the factory ABS system to work as expected. Minimal wiring had to be done to extend the wheel speed sensor and e-brake cables. The kit comes with the wires and connectors with wire loom for a seamless install that makes it all look OEM. These portals are going to be working hard, so in order to release excess pressure and prevent damage to the internals, breather hoses are used in all 4 corners. As you can see, we've also installed a set of Icon billet depth joint upper control arms on here, along with the rear upper and lower trailing arms. This setup gives you close to 4 inches of lift. 74 Weld has it listed as 3.88 inches of lift. The track of the vehicle is widened by 2 3/4 of an inch on each side. That's 70 millimeters more aggressive per side. So with us installing a 17 by 8.5 plus 35 wheel on here, the outside clearance is equivalent to us installing a 17 by 8.5 negative 35 offset wheel on a Gx550 without portals. But hey, those 3.88 inches of lift make all the difference. The owner of this vehicle decided not to add a suspension lift to it, so some trimming had to be done. Doesn't really matter though, as we are waiting on a new bumper to come in for this bad boy. We can trim now until the high clearance bumper comes in. This thing is going to be even more of a monster in the coming months. Now that the 74 Weld portals are on, along with the Icon vehicle dynamics, billet, upper control arms with the billet upper and lower rear trailing arms, we're going to bring it out for a quick test drive. And for those that are installing these, don't forget that you need to break in the portals and, as 74 Weld recommends, do a flush and refill of the gear oil on all 4 corners after 200 to 300 miles of driving. That's also a good time to double check, if you haven't already, that everything looks good and normal in all 4 corners. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located here in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We post a ton of content on Toyota and Lexus vehicles that are modified for off-road and overlanding fun. Next up, we have a 5th generation Toyota 4Runner Tier D off-road that's coming in for a Bilstein 6112 setup with SBC upper control arms in the front and some 5160 rear shocks with some Old Man Emu lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with the set of 17 by 7 plus 4 bronze Tier D Pro SEMA wheels with some 285/70/17 needle ridge grappler tires. Custom alignment was also performed, and the wheels and tires are all torqued down to spec. We're going to bring it out now for a quick test drive. Next up, we have another Lexus GX550 in Incognito Gray. This one is coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. And for the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with the brand new RRW RR7V simulated beadlock wheel. This is a flow form wheel in a 17 by 8.5 size with a plus 25 offset with a matte black face and a gloss black simulated beadlock ring. Tire of choice here are the 35 12.5/17 Toyo Open Country AT3s. Are you interested in a set of RRW wheels for your vehicle? We have them all in stock. Thousands and thousands of RRW wheels are in stock here at 88 Rotors. If you want $100 off a set of 4, make sure to use promo code YouTube at checkout at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Next up, we have this black 5th generation 4Runner that's going with a 6112 and 5160 setup. This silver Tier D off-road 4Runner is going with a King package with cambered tubular extrunt upper control arms. The front end of this 4Runner is getting a set of 6112 springs and shocks with SPC ball joint upper control arms. The rear has built-in drawers and some gear, so we're running an IBOC load leveling system with 5160 shocks. This will allow the owner of the vehicle to adjust his ride height in the rear, as his constant weight may change as he adds new gear or removes it. And the white Lexus GX460 is also going with a 6112 and 5160 setup. SPC upper control arms are going on that one as well, with some Old Man Emu rear lift springs. For the wheels and tires on the white Lexus GX460, we're going with a set of bronze Feel Shock wheels in a 17x9 with a 1 offset. Tire of choice here are the Toyo Open Country RT hybrid tires in a 285/70/17 size. The 4Runner is now done, so we're going to bring it out for a quick test drive. Let's jump back over to the silver 4Runner TD Off-Road. This one's going with a King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shock setup for front and rear, with some cambered tubular X-joint upper control arms and the Old Man Emu rear lift spring. Rear 5160 shocks and OME springs have been installed on the GX460. The 4Runner went with a set of the classic Method MR305s. And here's the 6112 setup installed with the SPC upper control arms on the GX460. Front wheels and tires are also on now. We're going to bring it down and do a quick custom alignment and fine tune the caster so it gets full clearance on and off road. Back over to the silver 4Runner, the Kings have been adjusted to about 3 inches of lift and installed on the vehicle with the cambered tubular X-joint upper control arms. The new wheels and tires are going on as well. 285/70/17 BFGs are going on the double black Method MR305s in a 17x8.5 size with the +0 offset. First white Lexus GX is out, and another white Lexus GX460 is in. This one's also going with a 6112 and 5160 setup, but with some different wheels. King, Camberg, OME, Method, and BFG 4Runner setup is now complete. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive now. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Are you not local to us but still want to take advantage of our 2 warehouses full of off-road and overlanding parts? At 88rotorsoffroad.com, we help you take out the guesswork on what parts you need to order. We have pre-packaged, pre-adjusted, and pre-assembled lift kits that are ready to be installed the moment that they arrive at your door. Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Bilstein's setup on this one is complete. 6112 and 5160 shocks, SPC upper control arms, and the OME rear lift spring. The wheels and tires on this one are the Method Bronze MR318s in a 17x8.5 size with a 0 offset. Tire of choice here are the 285/70/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W. Well, we want to thank everybody for your continued support. Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, we greatly appreciate it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. For now, enjoy the rest of the video. Next one up is a Sequoia. This one is in for a King setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around, with some Icon dual rate springs in the back, some King end links, and some King Blue Cambered Kinetic Billet Uniball upper control arms. That's all, folks. And until next time, take care.